You're training like you did at 25, lifting weights, chasing soreness, following the no pain, no gain mantra. But here's the harsh truth: that strategy is not just ineffective after 40, it's destroying your progress, your joints, and your testosterone. If you keep doing this, you will not build muscle. In fact, you are going to lose it faster. And no one is telling you that except me. Stick with me to the end. I'm about to show you what really builds muscles after 40 and what's silently killing your gains. Hi guys, Coach Deking here. If you're a man over 40 and you're struggling to build muscle, feel strong again, and get back the body you once had, or better, I made this for you. Because here's the truth: the training and nutrition advice you were given in your 20s, it doesn't work anymore. In fact, it's holding you back. Today, I'm going to break it all down. The five biggest muscle building mistakes men over 40 are making, what's happening to your hormones, your joints, and your recovery, and how to build real muscle, regain strength, and feel like a man without rocking your body. But before we get in, grab my free 7-day jumpstart plan for men who are 40 and above, joint friendly, hormone smart, and built for your reality. The link is on the description of this video and on the comment section. Let's get into it. So I will start with 5 things men over 40 need to stop doing. The first: you need to stop training for ego, not for adaptation. You are loading the bar like you are in college, but your joints are tired. They are older. Heavy reps with bad form is not strength, it's wear and tear. This is what you should do: use control tempo, use lighter weight, get more tension, train smart, not just heavy. Of course, it's good to challenge yourself. Don't sacrifice your form for your ego. Number two, stop ignoring recovery. You're still training 6 days a week. No rest, no stretching, no sleep. Bro, muscle is built during recovery, not just in the gym. This is what you should do instead: prioritize sleep, manage stress, and take full rest days. This is where your testosterone rebounds. Number three, you are doing too much cardio and not enough resistance. If you are running miles thinking it will burn fat and boost muscles, nah. After 40, too much cardio equals muscle loss and high cortisol. You know, the hormones that regulate stress. Focus 70% on resistant training, 30% on low impact cardio like walking or incline intervals. They are good for recovery and they will save your joints. Number four, neglecting hormonal shift. After 40, testosterone declines. Recovery slows down, inflammation increases. Most guys don't adjust their training. They don't even adjust their sleep or nutrition to support that. They just continue doing things as if they were in their 20s. Listen, you need a hormone conscious plan: quality fats, resistant training, zinc, magnesium. You need systems to manage cortisol. Number five, you're using programs that are built for 20-year-olds. Most YouTube workouts, IG routines, or plans online are for younger men. You follow them, you get injured, you get frustrated, you get tired, and you quit. You need a plan built for a man over 40 with joints, hormones, stress, and life factored in. Take, for example, my man Richard. He's 52 years old, worked hard his whole life, was lifting heavy like his younger years, came to me with elbow pain, knee pain, and just saying his body was fucked up. He said, Coach, I don't get it. I train hard, I eat clean, I'm getting weaker. We changed 4 things. One, we reduced the volume and added rest. Number two, we introduced joint friendly machines and bands workout. Number three, we increased his protein and sleep. And number four, we stopped endless cardio. In 3 months, he was down 6 kgs. He built lean muscle and it was showing. He was stronger, pain free, and feeling like a man again. He didn't go harder, he went smarter. So here's the smart muscle method for men who are 40 and above. And this is the exact blueprint I use for my coaching clients and for myself. Number one, train intention, not just load. Use control reps. Focus on the squeeze, not just the lift. This protects your joints and forces your muscle to do the work. Number two, lift 3 to 4 times a week. Full body or upper lower splits. More is not better. Better is better. Push, pull, legs or upper lower body split. Focus on 6 to 10 reps for strength, 10 to 15 reps for hypertrophy. Use machines, cables, dumbbells, barbells. They are all safe. Number 3. Fuel like a grown man. 1.6 gram of protein per kg of body weight per day. Eat whole foods, eggs, beef, salmon, sweet potatoes, rice. Eat enough to build, not just to burn. You have to fuel your body. No more starvation diets. You are not 22 with a six-pack metabolism anymore. Number 4. Prioritize testosterone support. Lift heavy, like challenge yourself 2 times a week. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Minimize alcohol. Limit stress. Optimize D3, magnesium, zinc. This is what keeps your manhood running properly. Number 5. Mobility is mandatory. Stretch hips, hamstrings, shoulders. All should be done weekly. Use a foam roll or use a massage gun. Warm up before every session. You don't bounce back like you used to. It's very important not to skip this part. Gentlemen, listen. If your goal is to build muscle after 40, you have to train different. You have to train smart. You have to recover hard. You have to eat like a man. And you have to stop copying 25-year-olds on TikTok. If you want help, download the free 7-day muscle jumpstart plan. It's designed for men just like you, strong in mind, ready to get strong in the body again. And the workout, you don't need equipment, just home workouts, joint friendly. The link is on the description of this video. See, you've got responsibilities, you've got a family, you've got a business, you've got a body that is different from 10 years ago. This is not the time for ego. This is the time for wisdom, for discipline, for patience, and for smart progress. Being fit in your 40s is not about chasing abs. It's about being capable. It's about being confident. It's about being pain free. And it's about being dangerous when necessary. If you get your training, your food, and your recovery right, you have a body that performs, that protects, and that provides. That's what I help men do. And I'm inviting you to step into it. Download the 7-day plan for men over 40. They are joint friendly, testosterone friendly, and time friendly. No gimmicks, just real results for real men. And if you want to work with me one on one closely, I've got something for that too. You'll find it below. Book a call. Let's talk. Don't forget to like this video if it gives you clarity. Subscribe if you are ready to rebuild your body the right way. And share this with your brother who is still trying to outtrain his age and wondering why he's stuck. And tell me in the comment section, what's the one thing you now realize you need to stop doing after 40? We are not here to feel old. We are here to feel strong again. Let's get to work. Coach the King, signing out. Copy that.